Let me ask you something. What if you woke up tomorrow morning, checked your phone, and saw $247 sitting in your account? Money you made while you were sleeping. No alarm clock, no boss, no commute, just money. Now here's the real question. Is that actually possible? Or is it just some Instagram guru selling you a dream? Here's the truth. Passive income is real. But 90% of the advice you see online is either outdated, overly complicated, or just flat out wrong. Today, I'm going to give you 7 passive income ideas that are actually working right now in 2026. No fluff. No get-rich-quick nonsense. Just real, honest, working strategies. And number 4 on this list genuinely surprised me. Stay with me. Before we get into the list, I need to tell you something important. Passive income is not truly passive at the beginning. Every single idea on this list requires either time upfront or money upfront, sometimes both. The magic happens after you put in that initial work. Think of it like planting a tree. You dig, you plant, you water. For months, nothing visible happens. Then one day, fruit, forever. That's exactly how passive income works. Okay, let's get into the list. Number 1, dividend stocks. Here's how this works. You buy shares in companies that pay you just for owning them. Every quarter, they send you a check, just for existing as a shareholder. Real example, Mark is a 34-year-old teacher in Chicago. He started buying dividend stocks 5 years ago. $300 a month into companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Realty Income. Today, he earns $820 every single month in dividends. He does absolutely nothing to earn it. It just lands in his account. Look for dividend yield between 3% and 6%. Anything higher is usually a red flag. Number 2, high-yield savings accounts. Now I know what you're thinking. A savings account? Really? Hear me out. Traditional banks give you 0.01% interest. That's basically nothing. But high-yield savings accounts right now are giving 4% to 5%. That's 400 times more. Emma in Sydney had $15,000 sitting in her regular bank account doing absolutely nothing. She moved it to a high-yield account. Now she earns $750 a year in pure interest. Zero effort, zero risk, zero stress. This is the easiest passive income on this entire list. If you have savings sitting in a regular account right now, you are literally leaving money on the table. Number 3, digital products. This one changed everything for a lot of people. Here is the concept. You create something once, sell it forever. Templates, ebooks, Notion planners, budget spreadsheets, study guides. Real example. Priya is a 28-year-old graphic designer in London. She created 12 Canva templates for small business owners, spent 1 weekend making them, listed them on Etsy and Gumroad. 18 months later, she earns $1,400 every month from those same 12 templates. Same files, no extra work, just sales coming in. The beautiful thing about digital products, zero inventory, zero shipping, 100% profit margin. If you have any skill whatsoever, writing, design, finance, cooking, fitness, you can package it into a digital product this weekend. Number 4, and this is the one that surprised me. YouTube ad revenue. Now before you say, I don't want to be on camera. You don't have to be. Faceless YouTube channels are absolutely exploding right now. Finance channels, meditation channels, story channels, educational channels, all faceless, all making real money. Real example. Daniel in Melbourne started a faceless personal finance channel in early 2024. Stock footage, AI voiceover, simple edits. By month 8, he hit monetization. Today, he earns between $1,800 and $3,200 every month from videos he made months ago. Still earning, still running, on autopilot. The upfront work is real. I won't lie to you. But once those videos are up, they earn for you for years. That is the definition of passive income. Number 5, bonds and peer-to-peer lending. This is the quiet one nobody talks about. Government bonds right now are paying 4% to 5% annually. Zero stock market risk, guaranteed by the government. James in Dallas put $20,000 into U.S. Treasury bonds. Earns $900 a year. Guaranteed. Safe. Boring. Boring is beautiful when it comes to passive income. Number 6. Rent out. What you already own. You don't need a second property to earn rental income. Think about what you already have. Spare room? Airbnb it. Car you barely use. Rent it on Turo or Car Next Door. Parking space? List it on JustPark or Spacer. Camera equipment? Rent it on Fat Llama. Garden or outdoor space? Listed on Swimply or Peerspace. Sarah in Brisbane had a spare parking space near the CBD. Listed it on Spacer for $180 a month. Does nothing. $180 arrives every month. $2,160 a year from a parking space. Look around your life right now. I promise you have something someone else wants to borrow. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. This is recommending products you already use and getting paid every time someone buys through your link. Blog, social media, YouTube, email list. Any platform works. Real example. Tom in Austin writes a simple personal finance blog. Posts twice a month. Nothing fancy. He recommends budgeting apps, credit cards, investing platforms, all with affiliate links. Last month, he earned $2,100 from affiliate commissions. From a blog he started with zero experience. Best affiliate programs to start with. Amazon Associates. Any niche, share a sale. Finance and lifestyle, CJ affiliate. Major brands impact, top-tier brands. You don't need millions of followers, you need the right audience. Even 500 engaged readers can generate serious affiliate income. So there you have it. 7 passive income ideas that are actually working in 2026. Let me recap them fast. 1. Dividend stocks. 2. High-yield savings accounts. 3. Digital products. 4. Faceless YouTube channel. 5. Bonds and lending. 6. Rent what you own. 7. Affiliate marketing. Now here is the most important thing I can tell you. Don't try all 7 at once. Pick one. The one that fits your life, your skills, your starting budget. Master that one first, then add another. The people who actually build passive income are not the ones who know the most strategies. They are the ones who actually start. Today. Not Monday, not next month. Today. So, which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. And if this video gave you even one idea you didn't have before, hit that subscribe button right now. Every single week, I put out videos like this one. Simple, honest, no nonsense money advice. That actually works in the real world. You've already taken the first step by watching this. Don't stop now. I'll see you in the next one. This is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.